Hey creatives! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's After Effects tutorial, I will show you how to create this stunning card wipe texture effect, perfect for adding a dynamic texture transition to your titles or intros. It's quick and easy, and requires no third-party plugins. This pure creative magic inside After Effects. Let's jump right in and make the effect. To make an effect, firstly, create a new composition layer and name it as Card Wipe Effect. Change the preset to around HDTV 1080x and the resolution to 1920 by 1080. You can change the duration according to your preferences. I'm setting to 5 seconds. Now hit OK. You are here in the timeline in After Effects. Now firstly, let's create a solid layer. Right-click on the timeline and go to New and New Solid Layer and name it as Background. Hit OK. Now click on the Text Type tool and type your desired text. I'm writing card. Now align it in the center of the composition. Now to apply an effect, select the text layer and go to Effects and Presets and search for Card Wipe Effect. You can see the effect. Double-click to apply the effect. Now move the playhead at the start. Now go to Effects Control and click on the stopwatch of transition completion and change its value to 0. Now under the lightning drop-down, click on the stopwatch of light color and change the light color to white. Now move the playhead to around 1.5 seconds and change the light color to something about your preferences. I'm setting it to greenish and change the transition completion value to 100. Now again, move the playhead to around 3.5 seconds and change that transition completion value to 0 and change the light color also to white. Now let's see the preview. It's amazing. Let's add depth to this text. To add a depth, go to Project Panel and add a texture overlay. I'm having this texture overlay. I'm putting this drag and drop this texture overlay above the text layer to align it according to the composition. Right-click, go to Transform and click on Fit in Composition. Now right-click on the texture layer, go to Blending Modes and click on Color. You can apply any blending mode according to your text or background. Let's play it. It's giving a glitchy type effect, which looks amazing. So we have made this effect in After Effects. So if you like this video or text effect, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel for more amazing tutorial videos. Till then, see you in the next video.